Rose ice cream recipe, natural and homemade. Got plenty of roses, but not sure what to do? Make a rose ice cream. Here is what you will need. 1 cup of cashew nuts, soaked in water for 6+ hours, rinsed and drained. 1 cup fresh, clean pesticide-free rose petals. 1 small slice of beetroot, for natural pink color. 1 ripened frozen banana, sweetener of choice, cane sugar or monk fruit or erythritol. 1 cup fresh coconut milk, from fresh coconut. Blend cashew nuts, rose petals, beetroot, frozen banana, cane sugar or stevia, and coconut milk until smooth. Pour the mixture into a container, cover, and freeze overnight. Before serving, blend again to get a creamy texture. Serve with fresh fruits. General tips. Make sure the rose petals you use are fresh and chemical-free. Skip banana and add more sweetener if you don't like the banana flavor. Replace cashew nuts with almonds to reduce calories. If you are on keto diet, replace sugar with a keto-friendly sweetener and skip bananas. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more natural chemical-free recipes.